Sperm banking or freezing is the storage of a man's sperm for future use in assisted reproductive technique. Semen collected from the patient either through masturbation or surgical retrieval will then be prepared by separating the sperm from the seminal fluid and the underlying testicular tissue. A small amount of this sperm will then be assessed under the microscope to check its quality as well as quantity. And if it's found suitable, the rest of the sperm will be placed in individual vials containing a special freezing agent. And this will then be placed in special storage tanks containing liquid nitrogen for long-term storage. Each patient's sperm is typically split into multiple vials and distributed in multiple tanks. This is so in case if one freezer fails, the remaining sperms are available in the other tanks. When someone is ready to use the sperm is carefully thawed in the lab to room temperature, whereby it will be assessed under the microscope, and we will look out for active and motile sperm. Usually, a third to about half of the sperm will survive this freeze-thaw cycle. This will preferentially be selected to combine with the egg in IVF, hopefully to produce a viable embryo. In Singapore, there are some laws that govern sperm freezing. Only married men whose wives are undergoing IVF. Another group will be men undergoing medical treatment such as cancer via chemotherapy or radiotherapy, which may damage the sperm. They can choose to freeze the sperm prior to starting treatment. There are no direct risks to men who freeze sperm. There is minor risk, however, if a surgical retrieval is required. Before depositing a sample, you'll be asked to abstain from sex for 2 to 3 days. If you feel comfortable, you can provide your sample in one of the private rooms in the fertility center or sperm bank. This allows the sperm to be collected at its freshest. You have to give blood so that you can be screened for sexually transmitted infection. You will also have to fill up some paperwork, including a questionnaire, a contract, as well as some legal forms.